Jenna is giving me life. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, 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 girl. Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Chrissy, and I have the big sister of Amani, and this is Miss Jenna. And if you want to know how I feel about this unit, stay tuned.
Excuse me, can I please talk to you for a minute? Sure, you look kind of familiar. Yeah, you do too. But I just wanted to know, do you know somebody named, you know his name? Oh yeah, definitely, I know his name. But I just want to let you know that he's mine. No, he's mine. You need to get it up. Had about enough. It's not hard to see, but boy, it's mine. I'm sorry that you seem to be confused. He belongs to me, but boy, it's mine.
Alright, beauties, I'm back. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Big sister. Big sister was here first for a reason. Alright, big sister. Big sis Jenna. Jenna. Let's talk about the big sister, Jenna. So this is the Janet Collection Natural Me wig, and I have the style Jenna. Jenna is basically like the longer version to Amani. I reviewed Amani. I'll leave a link below. She's a little bit shorter. So with this one, I wanted to go in with a different color and a different feel and see what was going on. I didn't fluff out the curls, but I think with this color, you probably should fluff her out a little bit more than just leaving the curls, because I like to leave my curls with my synthetic natural units because I feel like it does fluff out over time. But because this color is kind of more dominant, I feel like you can see the curls more, and it's a little bit more Shirley Temple-ish going on, but it's okay. Right here, this kind of came out the pack looking like this, so this is kind of what is going to happen after your curls start to fluff out. There ain't no going back from this. There's no going back. It's synthetic. So that's why I like to leave her kind of alone and then let her kind of do her own thing. But Jenna is giving me life. Wow. Look, as I'm playing with her more and more, she's getting a little bit bigger and bigger. I would definitely probably you know what? You can frame her. Yeah, she needs some framing. Let's frame her. All right, let's go ahead and frame her a little bit, because this length is like a little, it's longer, but I feel like in the front here, you kind of need to frame it a little bit more. But do what you want to do with Jenna, but yeah, that's it right there. There we go. Y'all think that looks a little bit better? I think so. Alright, so this 99J is everything. I like the fact that this 99J is like popping. Look at this. This is popping, sis. Like, I would say that since I reviewed Amani in the 1B, I felt like the texture was a little bit different. I felt like it was a little bit softer because this is a color. I'm not sure if all the colors are like this, but because it's a color, I feel like the texture is a little bit more like yarny, a little harder, but it definitely does mimic my natural hair. Like this hairline, everything is like my natural hair over here. Like this looked like it looked like my hair is 99J. Like they know what they was doing with this. The baby hair, she does have some baby hairs right here, you know, so you can pull her out a little bit more if you need to. I did go in with a little bit of concealer to kind of tone down the part a little bit, but the lace looked good. She didn't really need too much. I like the fact that the tabs do come all the way down to my ears, so I would say she's big head friendly. And she feels good in the back. She comes down really good in the back, and she feels really good. Like this 99J, Okay, so as far as the length goes, she does come down longer than Amani, and then in the back you see she's like a little bit long. She's a little bit longer. I don't really have too much to say about her. I didn't really oh, as far as shedding goes, she is shedding a little bit, okay, but I feel like if you do kind of leave her alone, she wouldn't like get your initial pulls out and then just kind of leave her alone. I don't think she's gonna shed too much, but she definitely is shedding a little bit, but it's not nothing that's bad. You know, it's not too bad. But yeah, just leave your hands out of her and you gonna be good. As far as tangling, I mean, look at her. She's like natural hair, so she kind of is a little tangled, but it's more like tangled on the side of natural hair tangle, but it's good. Just leave her alone. You put her on and you go. I love wigs like this. I love, like, she came with a little lace part in the middle. I love wigs like this. You just put her on and go. You just good. You like, hold on, let me get ready real quick. Boom, I'm ready. All right, guys, so this Natural Me, I would totally recommend this Natural Me Janet collection line. I really feel like it does mimic natural hair. That hair before you get a relaxer, like it definitely is what we are looking for. These are hair goals. These are our hair goals of why we wear these wigs, because we be trying to over here grow out our hair to look like this. Tell me how you guys feel about Janet collection, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button below, and I'll talk to you beauties later.